So I always tell them, okay, so be all right with your food being boring for now, but go all in on life. Like there's so much delicious life to be had. Just, go out and get some of that.
We are a society that's addicted to our pleasure points, and that's something that I really try to help my clients with, is teaching them that you can't have pleasure and healing in food. You just have to understand like how to build flavor outside of, animal fat. You can totally do it.
And I always say, get your flavor from your activities and your relationships so your food can be boring if it needs to. Right?
Yeah.
So we combine powers. You can give them more flavorful food. We'll get, but I tell them, listen, eventually, like I just finished a rapid recovery program with somebody that, she was so exhausted and she had dry eyes. Everything's gone. 4 weeks. Yeah. She had no symptoms in the first 7 days, but she stayed with the 4 weeks. And when she first started, she only ate Indian food, fried food, all cooked, nothing raw. Mm-hmm. And she didn't like raw food, kale, broccoli, all this stuff I'm telling her. She didn't like any of that. Well, now it's been 6 weeks since then, and I just checked in with her. She said, I wake up craving kale and broccoli, like raw. Like I just want to eat that. So for a lot of people, even if you try to make it like tasty, it's still not, they're like, yeah, it tastes okay, but it's definitely not what a fried dumpling does. It's definitely not what a burger does. So I always tell them, okay, so be all right with your food being boring for now, but go all in on life. Like there's so much delicious life to be had. Just, go out and get some of that.